Choose a nice thick font for your text, like Impact. Have your image on a layer above the text. Click once on the image to select it. Layer. Create clipping mask. Let's undo that. Or hold down the Alt or the Option key and position the mouse between the layers. When you see the cursor change to include the downward pointing arrow, click once. This is all still live, so you can easily edit the text, move the text, or move the image. To break this connection, select the image and choose Layer, Release Clipping Mask. Let's undo. Or hold down Alt or Option and again click between the layers. I hope that helps. Catch you later.